My name is Rianne Giesen. I'm a research scientist at the Royal Netherlands Meteorological Institute, or shortly KNMI, which is based in the Bilt in the center of the Netherlands. I'm using the OSI SAF Level 2 products, providing ocean surface winds from scatterometers. As KNMI is also producing these Level 2 products, I'm getting them from our internal archive. I'm using the Level 2 datasets to produce higher level wind products. These are Level 2 and Level 4 products that are distributed through the Copernicus Marine Service. The Level 3 products provide daily aggregated wind fields, interpolated to a regular grid, and with additional variables added derived from the wind, such as wind stress and spatial derivatives. The Level 4 products, they provide hourly ESMWF model wind fields with a correction for persistent biases, which is derived from scatterometer datasets. I use the OSI SAF datasets because they are available for a lot of different scatterometers, because they are available with high timeliness, and because they include detailed quality information. Like many Dutch people, I like to cycle, and I use my bike to go to the office. So sometimes you have the wind at your back, sometimes you have the wind against you, but I always like to feel the wind in my hair when I'm outside. Well, I'll do that again.